Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm sharing with you the recipe for a lunch or dinner side dish today. It is pumpkin cooked with dried prawns. I hope your family and you enjoy this dish when you make it. Come, let's start. I'm making this dish with 410 grams of yellow pumpkin that I'm now going to cut into triangular pieces. One medium-sized onion chopped. One stalk curry leaves. 2 dried red chillies cut into pieces. 15 grams of dried prawns pre-soaked in hot water for about 20 minutes. Reserve the water for later use. Mince the dried prawns. Let's keep the dried prawns aside. Saute the onions in 2 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan on medium heat. When the onion turns translucent, add the dried red chillies and the curry leaves and continue to saute. Then add the pre-soaked dried prawns after about 30 seconds. Fry the dried prawns until fragrant. When the prawns turn fragrant, reduce the heat to low and add 1 tablespoon of meat curry powder. Then roast the meat curry powder together with the rest of the ingredients. Add the pumpkin pieces after roasting for about a minute. Stir to coat the pumpkin pieces with the rest of the ingredients. Then add sufficient water to cook the pumpkin. The thing about pumpkins is that some cook very fast while others take a while to cook. So I suggest that you initially put enough water to just about cover the pumpkin. In the event the pumpkin doesn't get cooked, then add more water and cook the pumpkin until it's done. Also add the water in which the prawns were earlier soaked. Then increase the flame and let the pumpkin come to a boil. Add salt to taste when the pumpkin comes to a boil. Then reduce the flame and wait until the pumpkin gets cooked. The water has reduced. Now let's check if the pumpkin is cooked and also taste for salt. The pumpkin is cooked and there's enough salt in the dish. We'll now add 50 ml of thick coconut milk. Then stir to combine the coconut milk with the pumpkin. We can turn off the stove now because the dish is of the right consistency. A pumpkin with dried prawns dish. A recipe that will make a tasty side dish for your dinner. Do try this at home and relish its flavor. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.